Welcome to your daily dose of business news. Let's dive into the top stories of the day.
Good evening. Today we're starting with a mixed bag of news, from India's economic forecast to Volkswagen facing some heat on the tax front. We'll break it all down, make sense of the headlines, and give you the insights you need. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just trying to stay ahead of the curve, stick with us. We begin with India, where economic growth has taken a bit of a breather. The latest numbers show GDP growth slowed to 5.4% in the second quarter. Now that's down from the previous quarter, and it fell short of what the Reserve Bank of India had predicted. It's important to remember that context is key when analyzing economic data. While a slowdown might sound alarming at first, India is still projected to be one of the fastest-growing major economies globally.
The question, of course, is what's driving this slowdown? Is it a temporary blip or a sign of deeper challenges? We'll be digging into the underlying factors and what it means for India's economic outlook in the months to come.
Volkswagen finds itself in hot water in India, slapped with a massive $1.4 billion tax evasion notice from the Indian government. This is a significant blow to the German automaker, which has been making a big push into the Indian market.
Now, Volkswagen is denying any wrongdoing, but this case highlights the challenges that global companies can face when navigating India's complex regulatory landscape. It's a high-stakes battle with billions of dollars on the line. We'll be following this story closely, bringing you the latest developments and expert analysis on what this means for Volkswagen's future in one of the world's fastest-growing auto markets.
In other news out of India, the government is reportedly gearing up to expand its electric vehicle policy. This comes after Tesla initially pumped the brakes on entering the Indian market, citing concerns over import duties and the lack of a robust EV ecosystem. Now, if India wants to become a major player in the global EV market, attracting companies like Tesla is crucial. And that means creating a favorable regulatory environment and incentivizing both manufacturers and consumers. It's a complex equation, but this move to expand the EV policy suggests that India is serious about accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles. Chapter 4: Tech Titans Making Waves.
Turning our attention now to the world of tech, where all eyes are on SoftBank's Masayoshi Son and his bold bet on artificial intelligence.
Sun's SoftBank is doubling down on its investment in OpenAI, the company behind the game-changing AI chatbot, ChatGPT.
This massive cash infusion is a testament to the growing belief that AI is the future, and SoftBank wants to be at the forefront of this revolution.
Meanwhile, Elon Musk is once again stirring the pot, this time taking aim at Microsoft and its hiring practices.
Musk's comments have ignited a firestorm of debate about ageism and competition in the tech industry.
Chapter 5: India's Markets Get a Safety Net. Back in India, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, is taking steps to bolster the country's financial markets. They've announced a new measure aimed at enhancing market resilience and safeguarding against disruptions. The Bombay Stock Exchange, the BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, the NSE, will now act as alternative trading venues for each other in the event of technical outages or other unforeseen circumstances. Think of it as a backup generator for the stock market. This move is designed to ensure continuity and stability in India's increasingly important financial markets.
That's all the time we have for today. From India's economic performance to the latest moves in the tech world and the price of gold, we've covered a lot of ground. Remember, the business world never sleeps, so be sure to check back in with us tomorrow for more news and analysis you can trust. Until then, thanks for watching. That's all for today's business news. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. Thank you for watching.